But guys, welcome back to another drawing tutorial. Zoro's wanted poster. I've drawn, I think I just drew Luffy's. So let's draw Zoro's. I'm on a landscape page, but this is like, this would be a good portrait one, so it would fit on a portrait page as well. First thing we got to do, ruler will be probably needed for this. Draw out these boxes. Okay, so we'll do the one with his face first, the main one. Okay, and down here. Then just join them together. Like so. And then, so we get the layout, right? So then we have wanted right up here, and I would draw these with a pencil, right? Because you'll need to erase some of these lines, right? So you want to just mark out the bottom line for the wanted and the top, right? So you're just marking out your text and where everything sort of goes, okay? That's all about the same width, so we'll go across there, and we'll be erasing this line, so it's important to draw it in pencil, okay? And then up here, okay, so that's where your wanted text will be. And then dead or alive down here. So we'll draw these little spirally things. They're like S's or something. And this will mark in this sort of area for dead or alive and the money. And of course, I'm just drawing the lines now. These will all be colored black, okay? That one's longer on that side actually than that one, because marine is written down here. So the lines for dead or alive. So again, important to do these in pencil, because these are just guidelines to get our text level, right? That's all. So we just want everything to line up, and we want to keep it like in a straight line so it looks a bit better. You could do a freehand if you wanted, of course, but having guidelines definitely helps. So dead or alive, Zoro's name, and then the million, the berries, right? So very, 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 very. So we'll go like here for that. The top of it, maybe about there. The berry symbol is bigger, but we'll just do that. And then marine is here, I think. Okay, so that's what we're dealing with. Text, image. So we'll do his face now. So his head is in here, right? And we'll just get like the sort of side of his sort of bandana, right? So it just like bumps down here around his ear. Same on that side, and then comes across his eyes all the way there. And there's all these sort of folding lines just on the bandana there. So his eyes in under there. So we've got like a closed one at first, right? So like this one's closed. We can thicken it up a little bit in the middle. And then there's a thin eyebrow just here. And then an eyelid line. And some frowning lines just there. Eyebrows are usually thicker at the front, so let me just do that there. Put some extra sort of lines just around his eye, like bags around his eye and stuff. And then of course his scar there. And then we'll go over and do the other one. So his other eye, this one's open, right? So it goes top eyelid line, curves kind of down that way. And then the bottom eyelid so over to there. And then his eyebrow, check mark that way. Can't see his eyelid there, but we'll add it in. And he's looking down and to the right. So iris there, pupil in there. Some eyelid lines underneath. Some frowning wrinkle lines. And then they seem to draw in the bridge of his nose. Coming down there. And then they just give him some nostrils. And what looks like a top lip sort of line there. And he's talking, right? So we can just see like the side of his mouth. Curving over. Down around like that. And then teeth. So bottom teeth. It's like his side of his tongue or something here. And then real square chin. There. Oh, and bottom lip. Jaw then. Up the side. Change direction. We have his green hair sideburns. Just here on his face. And then his ears. Inside there. So his other ear, you know, we got all those earrings on it. So like just at the base of it, there's 1, 2, 3 little circles, and then long earrings hanging down. And then these clip onto his ears with these. And then his ear around like so. And ear lines inside. And then his neck real wide. And neck muscles in there. And his bandana is just sort of tied at the back. And I think that's his face, right? So text, right? Wanted. So we'll do all this, and I'll go pretty fast, right? So if you need me to pause, if you need me to slow down, just hit the pause button, because like text is text. You can do it with stencil. It's not major, right? So wanted. So we'll go with this V sort of shape first. It's two V's actually. Double V, W, W. And it'll all be colored black on the inside. Right, if you want, you can use a ruler for these if you want to keep them like super duper straight. Do. Wanted, and then Dead or Alive. Roar, Roro, Noah, Zoro. Keep going. So very long, thin ones now. And you can like thicken these up and make it more fonty looking if you wanted. I'm just doing a quick job. And then berry, sort of symbol, like an S shape there. And then a B. And then 1, comma, 1, comma, 0, 0, 0, comma, and then marine. And right, color them in whatever color you want. Probably just do black, like down here. Zoro, wanted poster. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.